Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. Today we will learn about application for fee concession. The principal, Hera School and College, Dargai. Subject, application for attending the elder brother's marriage. Respected sir, what do you respect? This is to inform you that my elder brother's marriage is held on 20 December 2020. I have to arrange the party to deal with the relatives and guests. My presence at my home before 2 days of the marriage is necessary. Therefore, kindly grant me leave for 3 days. I shall be very thankful to you for this kindness. Your obedient student, Name, Date 2020 12 16. Class and roll number. Tab here. Teacher, wine, and channel. Subscribe it and then click the bell icon to subscribe.